Hi guys, how to download and install Meccha Chameleon on Pi C. Now open your web browser, go to the official Steam website and download the installer. Run the file to install Steam, then launch the app and sign in, or click create a free account if you don't have one yet. Here's a quick heads up. If you're on a shared computer, uncheck the Remember Me box for extra security. Once logged into Steam, click on the Store tab at the top. Type Meccha Chameleon into the search bar and click on the game's official store page. Make sure you pick the right game from the search results, as there might be similar titles. Click Add to Cart and complete the payment process to add the game to your library. Here's a pro tip. Check your email for the receipt confirmation in case you need to refund the game later. Go to your library tab at the top, select Meccha Chameleon from your games list, and click Install. Choose your installation location and wait for Steam to finish downloading the files. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Play.